YouTube's algorithm has a favorite shape. It's not random, it's a specific retention curve that tells YouTube, push this video harder. Once you see it, you'll spot it on every video that blows up. A retention graph shows what % of viewers are still watching at every second. It always trends down. That's normal. What matters is how it declines. A slow, steady slope means people stayed engaged. A sharp vertical drop means something in that exact second made them leave.
The good shape, a gentle slope with small upward bumps. Those bumps mean people are re-watching, which is a huge positive signal. The bad shape, a steep drop in the first 15 to 30 seconds, then a flat decline. That first drop is almost always a weak hook. One exception, a drop right at the very end, is just your outro. Don't panic over that. 3 spots kill most videos. First 15 seconds, your hook doesn't match your title or thumbnail. The 1-minute mark, usually a slow intro before you get to the point. And anywhere you repeat something you already said, viewers notice padding fast.
Find your biggest drop-off point. Rewatch that exact second. Ask what made someone leave. A slow moment, an off-topic tangent, a weak visual. Fix that one spot and your retention improves across your whole channel, not just that video. Next up, CTR, and why comparing yourself to big creators is actually hurting your growth. Subscribe so you catch it.